Hey, welcome guys. In this video, we are discussing here the questions of economics. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all type of answers in the PDF and the handwritten form. If you want this, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is showing on your screen below, which is 900 936 8238. Here, the questions of economics that we are discussing, which is question number 1, question number 2, and question number 3, all are in the 40 to 60 words, and you need to write in the 40 to 60 words, right? Now the question number 4 and question number 5, you need to write into 100 to 150 words, and the last question, this question number 6, you need to write in the 500 words. This is a project based question, and for your information, we have solve all the papers of all the subject. If you want this, you can contact us on our WhatsApp so that we will provide all the answers accordingly. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video. For and if you have other queries, you can contact anytime. Thank you so much.